Okay, today I'm talking about Pacerpole dual lock hiking pole. It's a hybrid 3-section carbon fiber from Pacerpole, and it's called dual lock. It has a patented Pacerpole grip that is famous for it. It's all started with the grip, but the body of the hiking pole is lighter because it's carbon fiber. Not that they didn't have carbon fiber before, but it was twist lock, and this one has two different mechanisms for this 3-section. There is a, when you pull the thinnest section, it pops a knob here, like a bottom. You can hear it, and then it's fixed. And these two sections are attached to each other by a rope inside. And what that rope does, it stops rattling sounds that many of the hiking poles have this problem. When you use them and you touch the ground, especially if the ground is a little bit hard, you hear a rattling sound and vibration in your arms and hands. This stops that vibration, and it really stops that vibration. And so this length is fixed, and then you have the numbers you need from 1 to 10 for adjustment. For example, I found my is 4, and then the last piece is, what's the name? I don't know. It's a patented lock. Almost every company now had its own patented lock. Very easy, and you can adjust the tension, make it less or more by just working with this one, this lever. Very easy. Almost every new hiking pole, they have this fast lock, quick lock, whatever you want to call it. And by the way, this orange, metallic orange color, it is absolutely gorgeous. But generally, it is a solid, well manufactured fiber carbon pole. For the pair is 570 grams. That is almost 20 ounces for pair. So each is 10 ounces. And the maximum length is 133 centimeter. I don't know how much to tell you for the inch, but 133 centimeter is the maximum. And I forgot the other numbers like the minimum, but the reality is, if you want to make it a little bit shorter than it is when you are carrying in your luggage or whatever, all you need to do is separating these two from each other. One is number section 1 and this section 2 and 3, and then they separate really easily. And then I guess it's 53 centimeter the minimum length, but you can look at the website, the pacerpole.com. It has all the numbers you need, and it comes with some extra stuff. have this, I don't know, street stoppers you use if you don't want to make noise, that I removed a pair of it, and smaller baskets, extra small basket, and the snow, a pair of snow basket. But this is actually my second pair of Pacerpole. The first one was twist lock, and I used it for a long time. But now I want to go to hike the Pacific Crest Trail in May 2017, so I wanted something that is scientifically proven, and Pacerpole is like that. You just need to go to the website and look at the philosophy of Pacerpole. I'm sold, and I'm taking my Pacerpole for Pacific Crest Trail through hike. But one of the pieces I wanted to show you that is possibly you will like it is the camera mount. You can buy camera mount, and what that camera mount does, there is a knob in the right hand is orange, and in the other one is black. Yeah, so you can remove one of these two, either orange or black, whatever is inside, and then you can put this guy, so you have a camera mount, and it doesn't impede your grip. All day you can use it. If you put it, for example, on the ground, this can be used as the camera mount. So this is an extra for people that are more serious about photography or things like that, or video, that can help you a lot. Otherwise, you just can keep this one to show which one is your right hand when you are moving fast and switching between using hiking poles and not using them. So this knob is for that. I'm not sure I missed anything. That the string is elastic string. I never use that, but it's good to have it sometimes. Rarely, but I never use it. The grip is so good that I just use this one. So here is a Pacerpole. If you have a question, just leave a comment and we are good to go. Thank you for watching.